Hello parents, today we're going to learn about a new word in English called who. We use the word who when we want to ask a question about a person. For example, who is this? Who is your friend? Let's play a game to learn to ask questions using the word who. Watch the video with your child, listen to the sentences and repeat. Who is this? Grandmother. Who is this? Grandfather. Now, let us practice asking some more questions using the word who. Listen to the questions and try to answer them before I tell you the answer. Who is this? Grandmother. Who is this? Grandfather. Who is this? Father. Who is this? Mother. Who is this? The pet dog. Excellent job. Now, you know how to ask questions with the word who. You can ask more questions with the word who by practicing at home. You can point to different members of your family and ask your child to name them. In this way, your child will learn the meaning of the word who and how to ask questions using the word who. Thank you for watching this video.